Well, tomorrow's delivery day of our restoration here, and here's the final video. A lot of people have been asking online, did you finish it? And some of the last videos that we did were several, maybe weeks ago, and it's finally done, and it looks real good. We have it here, nice contrasty background, a little bit of black and obviously a little green there, but it came out real nice. We're very happy with it. A lot of detail here on this truck. If you've been watching the many videos posted, you'll know that it started out pretty rough, but it's ended up pretty spectacular, and great lengths have been taken to make sure this is just a really nice and perfect restoration for our client, obviously from New Jersey, and we have a little bit of drive time on it, but didn't require a lot to work any kind of bugs out. Super sharp, super clean, and you can just see that it really is spectacular. Every detail has been thought through, taken care of, right down to the jack, original color. We're really proud and happy of this truck. We hope the customer is as well. So off we go.